Mwah. Happy Spoopy season! It is officially the first day of October and I am so ready. Now I have a few videos back filmed that will also be coming out over the month of October, but I really wanted to ask what you all wanted to see. Spooky, darker, vintage style makeup tutorials, perhaps inspired by other decades like the 1920s. Classic makeup tutorials or hair looks that you could also use for costumes. Halloween costuming ideas with a vintage twist. True ghost stories from around the UK or around the world. Lookbooks showing autumn outfits. Possible easy costume ideas that won't cost you a lot of money. More fancy Halloween looks like this one I'm wearing today. Ways to change up your style from summer to autumn. I have a few ideas for content, but what I really want to know is what exactly you would be interested in. So please, please, please drop a comment, get following me on all of my social media, so my Instagram, my Facebook, my We Heart It and Pinterest for more inspiration, and my Ko-fi where you can support all of my dreams and ventures as well as my content here on YouTube. Appreciate how fabulous this dress is. Ooh la la, it's so pretty. And how cute my nails are. How cute are they? Oh my god, I'm obsessed. I love the red especially. I'm particularly leaning towards telling some true ghost stories, especially ones that are from the UK, as obviously that is where I am from and where I live. So I'm going to get researching on that, and I will let you know of any other exciting updates. Remember to have courage in these spooky times and be kind to all of the various spirits that inhabit the world in which we live, both the living and the others. And may all of your dreams come true, but none of your nightmares. And I will see you in my next video. Bye! Woo! Oh, we looking cute today, oh yeah. Don't know whether I should do a tutorial for this makeup actually, because it's so nice. Might add that to the list. I find it amusing that I did this quite dark makeup look for me, and one of the things I used was this adorable pink strawberry blusher. So Halloweeny. He likes them little, he likes them big. Part him in the middle or wear a wig. Black or white or even red. Headless horseman needs a head. Headless horseman. Headless horseman. Some don't even bother to wear their skin.